Here's my secret to bright and refreshed skin. Get your aprons on and let's dive into this exciting creation to make your shower time a truly uplifting and rejuvenating experience. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we have a fabulous creation for you, the Sunshine Scrub Bar. Get ready to indulge in a refreshing and invigorating experience that will cleanse and gently exfoliate your skin, leaving it feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. But that's not all. The delightful citrusy aroma of this scrub bar will uplift your senses and transport you to a blissful oasis of relaxation. Before we dive into this recipe, I want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this and 5 other recipes delivered right to your door. It's like having a personal DIY spa in a box. And that's not all. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box filled with extra goodies to enhance your natural DIY journey. But if you prefer to gather your ingredients, you can grab all the necessary items for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Commercial soaps often contain harsh chemicals and toxins we don't want on our skin. In fact, did you know that some store-bought soaps can contain synthetic fragrances, sulfates, and other harmful ingredients? These substances can strip the skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. With our DIY recipe, you can feel good about what you are using. The Sunshine Scrub Bar is made with natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin while still providing exfoliation and hydration. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make the Sunshine Scrub Bar together. From your box, you will need 0.6 ounces or 2 cubes of the glycerin melt and pour soap base. This is a non-toxic alternative. An 1/8 teaspoon of the yellow gold mica powder. This is a natural colorant. 7 drops citrus burst. This helps uplift and energizes. And a round silicone mold. From your home, 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is a natural exfoliant that promotes smoother, softer skin and helps to unclog pores, leaving the skin refreshed and rejuvenated. First, you want to melt the soap base in a double boiler or in small heat-safe containers in the microwave using 5-second intervals and stirring between each interval. Add the essential oils and stir. Add the sugar and mica powder and stir until combined. If the soap becomes too solid to pour smoothly, reheat it gently in the microwave using 5-second intervals. Pour the mixture into the mold to set. The soap mold from your first recipe box works perfect for this. Wow, I love the gentle exfoliation. My skin feels so hydrated and refreshed. You can make this too. It's a truly fulfilling and empowering DIY adventure. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to Simply Earth's recipe box. Discover a world of wholesome ingredients and creative recipes to elevate your self-care routine. Join our community of passionate makers and experience the joy of crafting your natural products with confidence. Take a photo of your handmade creations, share it on social media with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card to be featured on our social media pages. We love seeing your unique creations. Like and subscribe to these videos if you enjoyed making the Sunshine Scrub Bar. Watch these videos for more natural DIY recipes. Get ready to unlock your creativity and indulge in a world of natural goodness. The links to the recommended videos will be displayed on the screen right after this.